Many investors, including me, are skeptical towards small cap electric vehicle stocks, especially if those companies do not have revenue yet or it is very small. The chance of losing money with these stocks is 99%. The list of risks is endless. Does the company have enough money to bring its product to the market? And if it's enough, how much it will take to dilute the shares for this? Will this product have a commercial success? When the company ceases to be unprofitable, how much it will take to dilute the shares before the company becomes profitable? Often such companies promise too much and fulfill 10% of what was promised in the best case. In other words, you need to be extra careful with these stocks. I picked 3 of these stocks, and even though I used the word top in this video, it's top among the bet, so to speak. So the first company I picked is Polestar. The company is not public yet. It's only going to become public via a special acquisition company, so it's set to merge with Gors Guggenheim, ticker GGPI. Polestar is a Swedish-based European EV maker, owned by Volvo Group and Geely Holdings. The main reason why I picked this stock is that the company already has deliveries and meaningful revenue, unlike many other small-cap EV stocks. So far, Polestar has produced 2 electric vehicles. Polestar 1, which is a 2-door plug-in hybrid sports car. This is not all-electric BEV. It has a total capacity of 34 kWh arranged in 3 battery stacks, which gives the car an all-electric range of 93 miles or 150 kilometers. Total range is 470 miles or 756 kilometers. Another car Polestar has already produced is the Polestar 2. This car is fully electric and its model range includes 3 variants, with a combination of long and standard range batteries and dual and single motor powertrains. The Polestar 2 has been and is expected to continue to be the main driver of deliveries. The company delivered 29,000 vehicles by end of 2021 fiscal year. Now the company expects to deliver 65,000 vehicles by the end of 2022 fiscal year. In 2021, the company showed a revenue of $1.34 billion, up 120% year over year. Polestar's vehicles are currently available and on the road in markets across Europe, North America, China and Asia Pacific. By 2023, the company plans that its cars will be available in 30 markets. By 2025, the company sees revenue growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 83% to $17.8 billion. Polestar cars are currently manufactured into facilities in China, with additional future manufacturing planned in the United States. The company plans to launch 3 more cars until 2025. Polestar 3 in late 2022 or early 2023, the company's first SUV with a range of 600 kilometers or 373 miles and $80,000 price. The company plans to launch another SUV, Polestar 4, in late 2023 with a range of 550 kilometers or 342 miles and the price of $63,000. In 2024, the company plans to launch a sedan, Polestar 5, with a range of 600 kilometers or 373 miles and the price of $75,000. Polestar expects to sell 24,000 units of the Polestar 3 in 2023, and the company expects that the Polestar 3 sales to grow to 67,000 units in 2024 and further up to 77,000 units in 2025. The company expects to sell 6,000 units of Polestar 4 in 2023, 33,000 units in 2024 and 79 units in 2025. As for Polestar 5, the company expects to sell 11,000 units in 2024 in 30,000 units in 2025. As the company seeks to reduce its climate impact with every new model, Polestar aims to produce a truly climate-neutral car by 2030. The next company is Fisker. This one is much riskier. The company doesn't have any meaningful revenue yet, and it hasn't even delivered its product to the market yet. But it comes out in November this year, and it already surpassed 50,000 reservations. The company's first ever production car is Fisker Ocean, an electric SUV that comes in 4 editions: Sport, Ultra, Extreme and One, with prices ranging from $37,500 for the base model before federal and state tax credits to $69,000 for the Fisker Ocean Extreme and Fisker Ocean One. Fisker's second production car, named Project Peer, it's an acronym for personal electric automotive revolution, is set to launch in 2024. The price starts at $30,000. Fisker is targeting annual production of up to 250,000 units for the year. The company has said a prototype will be unveiled before 2023 is out. In 2023, the company's revenue is expected to be between $1.4 and $2.8 billion. In 2025, the company's revenue is expected to be between $5.6 and $10.5 billion. The company's current market capitalization is $2.7 billion, which gives us estimated forward price-to-sales ratio between 1 and 2. That's not very expensive. The company has about $1 billion in cash. This should be enough for some time, but I think new share dilution is inevitable anyway. The company had a net loss of $500 million in 2021. If the company was profitable, or at least it wasn't burning cash so hard, I would say the balance sheet looks pretty good. And the next company is Centro Electric Group. I was mentioning this company previously. This company is focused on electric commercial vehicles. The global electric commercial vehicle market size is projected to grow from 353,000 units in 2022 to 3,144,000 units by 2030 at a compounded annual growth rate of 31.4%. And the electric van segment is expected to be the largest market. Until recently, the company has been selling only one car, called Metro. It's a multi-purpose van designed for intercity deliveries and similar services, which can be customized in a variety of configurations, such as cargo boxes, pickups and more. And now the company sees explosive growth with 4 new upcoming cars. Polestar 200 cargo box electric van, customized for transporting light goods. It has a 1-ton payload and cargo space of 247 cubic feet or 7 cubic meters. Another van, the Polestar 400, offers a payload of 2.5 tons and a range of up to 124 miles or 200 kilometers. Another vehicle is a low-cost multi-purpose electric truck for neighborhood deliveries and similar services designed for the network density of narrow European streets. It offers a payload of 425 kilograms or 937 pounds and a range of 110 kilometers or 68 miles. And another vehicle, all-electric, purpose-built as off-road utility task vehicle, designed to meet the demands of farms and ranches, corporate campuses, warehouses, construction sites, or trailing and hunting. It offers a payload of 1 ton and a range of 75 kilometers or 47 miles. The company expects to sell 21.5 thousand vehicles in fiscal 2022 and 74.9 thousand vehicles in fiscal 2023. The company is expected to generate $506 million in revenue in fiscal 2022 and $2.1 billion in fiscal 2023. The current market capitalization of the company is $480 million, which means the stock is pretty cheap and debt to equity ratio is 0. The company has $260 million in cash on its balance sheet, almost no debt. This looks good, but the company is not profitable yet. The risks of all these stocks are still high. So that's all for today, and thank you for listening.